Do's and don'ts. Do's. Ensure that the thermostat is always set to 0 while removing the bin or while lifting the coil. Ensure that the machine is completely switched off, including the main power output, before cleaning the machine. Regularly remove the crumbs that may be logged near the sensor. Use mild soap oil while cleaning the machine. Clean coil and temperature sensor every week. Always use auto cooking. Always be careful while lifting the bin, as boiling oil may pour over. Don'ts. Do not power on the machine without oil. Do not use too much water to clean the machine. Never make the thermostat 0 unless you are removing the bin. Water shouldn't enter any holes or grills when the machine is in operation. Avoid harsh cleaning around the sensor. Do not press the emergency button if oil is not present in the bin. Do not use emergency button without any intervention. Do not exceed the portion size of 500 grams. Do not place the top stopper on the thermostat. Do not dip the basket directly into the bin. Always use the hooks to balance the basket. Troubleshooting. If you're experiencing problems with your fryer, here are some steps you can try to troubleshoot the issue. Make sure that all buttons on the machine and any connected power output are switched on. This includes the power button on the machine itself. Check if the OK button on the machine is pressed. This button is labeled as OK, and it's important to make sure that it is pressed. After every step, failing to do so can result in the machine not working as desired. Machine cleaning. Clean the outer body of the machine with a damp cotton cloth or a sponge to wipe away any dirt or debris. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners, as these can damage the surface of the machine. Clean the coil, bin and the sensor. Use a soft cloth or sponge dipped in soap oil. Gently wipe away any dirt or debris, taking care not to damage the coil or the bin or the sensor. Once you finish cleaning, make sure to switch the machine back on and plug it into the power outlet. This will ensure that the machine is ready to use when you need it. Regular cleaning is important to maintain the performance and longevity of your machine. By following these steps, you can help keep your machine clean and in good working order.